Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you Sepedi. Sepedi is a language that is spoken in South Africa, in Limpopo, and Limpopo is the largest province, one of the largest provinces in South Africa. Sepedi is being spoken by Pedi people. So now I'm going to teach you how to greet in Pedi. If you want to greet in Pedi, you're going to say Thobela. Thobela is a word used to greet an older person or a group of people. And if you want to say how are you, you're going to say Lekai to an elder person or a crowd of people. But if you want to greet someone your own age, you're going to say Hujua. That person is going to say Keshap. Like there's no like a proper meaning of it. You're going to say like Keshap, just like that. But an older person will say Ragona Lekai. Then you're gonna say Rogon. Rogon like it means like I'm fine and how are you? Then you're gonna say Rogon. It means like I'm fine. So now we move from greeting to word construction. So how are you gonna contract a sentence? You're gonna say Malome, which means an uncle, Le, which means with, Motswala, which means a cousin, Va, which means they are, Ja means eating, Ho means chicken. So we're gonna motswala, malome, le motswala, ba ja ho. An uncle with a cousin, they are eating a chicken. Yeah, you can pause the video if you wanna like learn specific words. So yeah. This is my video for today. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you.
By dentists and street sweepers and artists and singers and all taking a political position.
Now it's like, keep quiet, stick to acting. What do you know?
What nonsense is that?
So then that's what you were doing. And it kind of puts you in the fire.